If your Epic Games Launcher is acting slow, freezing, not loading properly, or just feeling buggy, one of the quickest fixes is clearing the launcher cache on Windows. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, safely and easily, so you can refresh the launcher without reinstalling anything. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Windows and gaming fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure the Epic Games Launcher is completely closed. If it's still running in the background, the cache files may not delete properly. So go ahead and exit the launcher fully before moving on. Now press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. This opens the Run dialog box, which is the fastest way to get to the hidden AppData folders on Windows. In the box, type %localappdata%, all as one word, then press Enter. This will take you directly into your local AppData directory. Inside this folder, look for the Epic Games Launcher folder and open it. From there, open the saved folder. This is where Epic stores a lot of launcher data, including temporary cache files that can build up over time. Once you're inside the saved folder, find the folder called Webcache. This is the main cache folder for the Epic Games Launcher. Delete the webcached folder. If you also see any folders with names like webcache underscore something, such as webcache underscore 4147 or other similar variants, delete those too. These are also cache-related folders, and removing them can help fix loading and login issues. Don't worry, deleting these cache folders will not uninstall the Epic Games Launcher or remove your games. It simply clears temporary data so the launcher can rebuild fresh files the next time it opens. After deleting the cache folders, close File Explorer. Now reopen the Epic Games Launcher and let it start normally. The first launch after clearing cache may take a little longer because the launcher is rebuilding fresh temporary files. That's completely normal. If you are having issues before, check whether the launcher now opens faster, loads properly, or stops freezing. In many cases, clearing the cache is enough to fix common problems without any advanced troubleshooting. And that's it. You've now cleared the Epic Games Launcher cache on Windows. It's a simple fix, but it can make a big difference when the launcher is behaving badly. If this video helped you out, please tap like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Epic Games or Windows issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.